How to fix Get an app to open this ms-cortana2 link message when copying files in Windows. Windows might not know how to handle the ms-cortana2 link if there's no default application associated with it. Reviewing protocol associations can help ensure no broken handlers are present. Fix 2. Reset Windows search settings. Since ms-cortana2 is tied to search and voice commands, resetting related settings can help restore normal file copy behavior and remove unintentional prompts. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Re-register system apps. Sometimes, system applications like Cortana are removed or partially uninstalled, leaving behind broken links or handlers. Re-registering all built-in apps can restore missing components and fix internal URI bindings that might cause this prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.